Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Another Saturday short. This Saturday short is going to be another Harbor Freight one. Harbor Freight is going bananas. I don't know what the hell they're doing, guys. I'm trying to figure them out. But you like the Harbor Freight videos when I do them. The analytics show me that, and some comments have showed me that you like when I tell you about these sales. So I'm going to keep doing it. I'm going to keep them very short. You know, there's no reason to beleaguer and go crazy on these videos. You just need to know that they're doing the 30% off sale again. And what is that sale? That is 30% off any item in the store with a few asterisks, up to $10, and a limit of 5 per day. So you can go in Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. It actually started yesterday, Friday, but I'm just getting this out today for you. But you still have the whole weekend to go to the store and do this. If you're Inside Track Club member, it's $20, so 30% of anything under $20 in the store. So you can go in and pick up 5 items every day. And what can you do with that? I have some things here that I'm going to show you that I think are great items to pick up at Harbor Freight. A few things I don't have at the bench I'm going to talk about. One is casters. I'm going to go buy some casters today. One of the next build videos I'm going to do is a rolling cart / outfeed table for my table saw downstairs. I need to get some casters so that I can measure the casters to know how big to build the outfeed table, because you want your outfeed table to come, just under the dimension of your table saw. So I can't start building it till I have the casters. I'm going to get them this weekend, and then we can start building that project. They have a lot of casters, different sizes. Almost all of them come in under $20. So some of them are under 10, and anybody can pick them up. Some of them are between 10 and 20. Inside Track Club, guys, you guys get them. Other things they have that I would recommend getting. They have 2 lines of tools. They actually have 3 lines of tools. They have the Pittsburgh line of tools like this. They have the Quinn line, and they have the Doyle line. Pittsburgh is their good, Quinn is their better, and Doyle is their best. That's the new sales strategy they're going with. I like both of these lines. I really like the Doyles. I had to buy the Doyles last summer, one at a time, with the 20% coupon. So every time I went into Harbor Freight, I picked one of these up, used the 20% coupon. You guys are lucky. Now that this sale is going to be happening more often, you can go in, buy 2 or 3 of these, at least get the ones that are under $10 if you're not Inside Track Club. If you're Inside Track Club, all of these are pretty much under $20. You could pretty much fill your set out in 2 days. And instead of getting $20% off like I did, you'll get 30% off. So that's a great deal. The Doyle tools are great. They no longer hang there because they're down in my toolbox in the basement where I use them more often. I also do like the Quinn line. The Quinn line is actually very good, and I buy tools in the Quinn line, like this contraption. This is a very awesome tool. It just has a very good long reach for a pair of needle nose. So I fill the Doyle line out with the Quinn line. There's more tools in the Quinn line than the Doyle line. So something that the Doyle line doesn't have and I need, like this silly thing, I've added it with the Quinn. These are very good tools as well. Almost all of the Quinn tools are under $10, so most of you can jump on this set. You can build yourself a nice set like this kit here I have, where I have a pair of slip joint pliers, a pair of dikes, a pair of linesman pliers, a pair of needle nose, and a pair of regular pliers. Now those are Cobalt brand, but I would compare this Quinn line very easily to the Cobalt line. Very comparable tools. Or you can do the Doyle, which I think are even better. So you can really get yourself a set of tools quickly with this sale, because you can get 5 items at 30% off. They have the calipers at Harbor Freight. They have several different kinds. I have this set here. Some of them are over 10, some of them are under 10, most of them are under 20. The dial calipers, if you need a set, they go on sale a lot. So you're going to see a pair of calipers almost always on the instant savings sale. And you're also going to see a set on the Inside Track Club sale almost all the time. But you could get 30% off right away, right now, without worrying about any sale. So another good idea right there. This is an awesome piece of equipment here. Sometimes people sometimes don't like Harbor Freight tools because they think they're cheap. These are inexpensive. That doesn't mean they're cheap. All of the dead blow hammers or dead blow mallets, whatever you want to call them, at Harbor Freight are under $10. From the 3-pound one down to the, I think, half-pound or 1-pound one. They're just good. You hit things with this thing. You hit. This is a tool you use to enforce something. Something's tight, it's not fitting, you make it fit with this thing. That's what you do with these things, and they're nice soft rubber with a lot of shot inside, so it gives you that extra oomph. You know, sometimes you don't have to spend more money on a tool for it to be a good tool. This is a good tool at the right price. This is another tool that I think is awesome. This is not the Harbor Freight brand. My Harbor Freight brand is out in my truck, and I didn't feel like running out and getting it. It's almost identical. Harbor Freight basically makes one that looks just like this one. It's removable rubber faces on these little mallets. Under $10, I believe there's $7 for the Harbor Freight one. I use this tool every day. Every time I'm using my chisels, I use this. I should build a proper joiner's mallet. Maybe I'll do that one day, but until I do, I use this on every project. You know, if I don't need the dead blow to just tap something in place, these non-marring faces take care of that for me. So I love that tool. I highly recommend it. Now you all know I recommend these boys. The Pittsburgh brand F-clamp at Harbor Freight, I just think is the best deal in that store. And that's at the regular price. If you can get these at 30% off, holy cow. And all of the lengths from 6 inches to 30 inches are under $10. So literally everybody, you don't have to be inside track to jump on this. You can get 5 of them a day. You can go in there all 4 days of this sale and get 20 clamps at 30% off if you want to fill your kit out in one weekend. I highly recommend these clamps. You know, this is a $4 clamp, and it's going to be $2.80 during this sale. You know, you could go buy better clamps. There are better clamps made. I'm not trying to say these are better than a high-end set of Bessie clamps, but these are good. They work. They do the job. Why spend $24 on a clamp when you can spend $4 and it does the job? That's just how I see it. Save those $20 bills and pay your bills. Do something else with them. I did a video on these clamps a couple weeks ago. I am getting used to these. I like these. They're working very well. Now I said I would do a secondary video on these in June, which is when I thought they were going to do this sale again. Silly me, they're doing it 3 weeks later. I'm going to continue to work with these. I like them. They're working. They're holding up for me, but I don't want to tell you to go buy a bunch of them right now because I've only been using them a couple weeks, you know, and they are plastic, you know, although the Irwins are plastic as well. So all of these ratchet type clamps are plastic. I am optimistic that in June I'm going to be telling you to go get some of these because they work. But right now, don't go fill your clamp rack with these on my say-so. You could buy a couple of them at, you know, a couple of bucks with the 30% off, and you're not going to break the bank. But you know, the jury's still out on these. We're gonna do a video on these in June. I'll let you know how they're going. So that's the Saturday short for this week, guys. It's another Harbor Freight sale going on this weekend. If you like these sales, if you like these videos for these sales, please hit the like button. That's one of the ways I can tell that you like them. Or comment. Hey, let me know. Say, hey, this is great. Thanks for letting me know. Or if you think they're stupid and they're a waste of video time, tell me that too. I need to know. I'll stop doing them if nobody likes them. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I appreciate that as well. And as always, go out and save yourself some money. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.